In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook gaming page. First, make sure you're logged into Facebook, as this is crucial for setting up your page. Once you're on your home screen, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Pages. Click on it. This will lead you to a new screen where you'll see a Create New Page button in the top right corner. Click on that. Now, it's time to input some details about your new gaming page. Start by entering a name for your page. Choose something catchy and memorable that represents your gaming style or persona. Underneath that, you'll find the category section. Type in Gaming Video Creator to specify your page's niche. This helps others find your content more easily. Next, you'll want to include a description. This is your chance to introduce yourself and your channel to potential followers. Write a brief and engaging overview of what they can expect from your gaming videos or streams. Keep it fun and inviting. Now let's move to the visual aspects of your page. You'll need a profile picture and cover photo that reflect your page's theme. For the profile picture, something that is clear and easily recognizable is best, such as your logo or a unique image of your gaming character. Your cover photo, which is the larger banner at the top of your page, can be a more expansive image that brings to life the vibe of your gaming content. Make sure these images are high quality and visually striking to grab attention. Once your images are uploaded, you'll find yourself at the page's main interface. Here, you can start making some customization choices. Click on the Settings gear icon located at the top right corner. Navigate through the menu options on the left to ensure your page settings are configured to best suit your needs. Enable the video streaming options if you plan to go live frequently. This ensures your followers are notified whenever you start a game stream, maximizing your reach and interaction potential. Additionally, take a moment to link other social media accounts if you have them. This helps in building a more connected community across different platforms. Before you finish, it's essential to add some content to your page. This could be a welcome post introducing your page to new visitors or your very first gaming video upload. This initial content will give visitors an idea of what your page is all about. With these steps completed, your Facebook gaming page is all set to go live. As you engage with your page more, tweak it as needed to better fit your evolving brand and viewer interactions. Remember, the key to a successful gaming page is consistent and engaging content, so keep those games rolling and have fun connecting with your audience. With that, you're ready to embark on your gaming journey right here on Facebook. Enjoy and happy gaming!